With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. Our question says that consider the following statement each with the two blanks. Our first one is the actually only about dash ml of air enters the lungs alveoli for the exchange of the gases. The remaining fills the respiratory passage and it is termed as dash. Second is the amount of air which can inhale with maximum effort and also exhale with maximum effort is termed as dash and it is about dash in normal adult person. Third is during normal quiet breathing, on an average, approximately dash ml of air is inspired or expired by the adult human male in each breath. It is termed as dash volume. Which of the following options give the correct fill up for the respective blanks number from 1 to 6 in the above statement? So here if we are talking about our first statement, so here in our first statement actually only about dash ml of enters the lung alveoli for the exchange of the gases. So here if you are talking about our question, so if you are talking about our question, so this is the question regarding the tidal volume. So here if you are talking about our tidal volume, so what is the tidal volume? Firstly, what do you mean by the tidal volume? So this is the volume of air that can be inhaled. It can be inhaled or exhaled during the normal respiration. That means we are talking about our normal respiration, normal, we are talking about here normal breathing. So this is the amount of air which can be inhaled or exhaled. So the total amount of air, it will be about 500 ml here. So if you are talking about our this 500 ml, so in this 500 ml two partitions are there. 350 ml of the air will reach the alveoli and this will use for the exchange of gases. And if you are talking about our remaining 150 of ml, so this 150 ml will remains in the respiratory tract. It will present in the respiratory passage, means it will present in the trachea, it will present our respiratory tract, and this air will be termed as the remaining 150 ml of air will be termed as the dead space volume. Here the term is given for it that the that space volume. So here 150 ml will be the dead space volume. So here if we are talking about our first statement, so here actually only about dash ml of air enters the lung alveoli. So here first one will be the 350 ml, and for the exchange of the gases the remaining fill the respiratory passage and it is termed as the here if we are talking about our question, so here the remaining 150 ml will be termed as our dead space air. It will be our dead space air. If you are talking about our second statement, that is the amount of air which can be inhaled with maximum effort as well as exhaled with the maximum effort, so this will be termed as the vital capacity. Here the term vital capacity will be used if you are talking about our vital capacity, which can be simply denoted by the vc. So here vital capacity is the maximum volume of air that can be inspired after the forceful expiration. So it can be calculated by the formula. Here a formula is mentioned, that is it will be the tidal volume. It is the sum of the tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume plus the expiratory reserve volume. If we are talking about our inspiratory reserve volume, then it will be the extra volume of air that can be respired by the forceful inspiration. If we are talking about our erb, that means it will be the extra volume of air that can be expired by the forceful expiration. So here total amount of vital capacity will range from our 4000 to 4500 ml. So here if you are talking about our this statement, our statement second, the amount of air which can inhale with the maximum effort and also exhale with the maximum effort is termed as the vital capacity, and it is about 4000 ml in the normal person. If you are talking about if you are talking here about the third one, that is the during normal quiet breathing, on an average approximately dash ml of air is inspired or expired by the adult human male in each breath. It is termed as dash volume. So here if you are talking about our this question, so we are talking about the inspired air. So it will be the here if you are talking about our this question, so this will be our tidal volume, which can be inspired or expired in the normal breathing, as we have already discussed it, and its value will be the 500 ml. So here our correct match will be the third will be the vital capacity, fourth will be the 4000 ml, fifth will be the 500 ml, and sixth will be the tidal volume. So here our correct match will be the first option. So I hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubt and App today.